You don't dip. You don't dip. Alright? Just because you see Daddy doing it.
He's like, I give up.
Like
Life isn't worth living.
It's like a clip.
So this is too much.
You don't get to dip like Daddy. No. Okay? You leave Daddy's dip can alone, you leave Daddy's dip spit bottle alone. You leave it alone. Only Daddy dips.
Maybe he's just thinking it's bad because of the tone of your voice or something.
I don't know.
He's like, oh, whatever it is, it sounds like it's bad. I should be upset. He's like, is it over yet? Nope.
Oh, he's throwing a fit. Because Daddy's dipping. And he can't dip. They're bad for you, Brayden. It's bad for you. You don't pick that up. That's a habit you don't pick up. He's like, I quit. Yeah. Are you done throwing a tantrum?
Nope.
Are you done throwing a tantrum? Oh, give me that. Something on the ground. I'm going to show this to Nana and Grandpa and Lola and Lolo. You throwing a fit. Dipping's bad.
Not good.
No, it's not good.
One of the two.
It's not good. I know Daddy does it, but it doesn't mean you can do it. No. Yeah. You can't do it.
Say, watch me.
It's not good for you. Even when you get old enough for it, it's not good for you. Right, Daddy?
Yep. That's right.
See, even Daddy says no. No, you can't. Don't cry. Can you say bye-bye? Well, bye-bye. You just too pissed off to do bye-bye? Okay, I'm gonna put you down for a nap because you're grumpy.